There you go. Oh yeah, look at that texture.
Okay, so I found a universal template for a mudguard. Here.
Half of this cut time is circles.
Oh, like butter. So my bike didn't come with a mudguard. I was looking around online to see if I could purchase one, but then found the folder option would be quick and easy. So I decided to make my own. So I'm going to show you two different ways, one with a pair of scissors and one with the lovely Cricut machine. Voila.
Okay.
Voila.
Now, when take it off, you still need to drill holes. You don't have to add a lot of pressure.
My arm's tired. Final reveal. How about it? $2 mudguard. What you think?
It's a
5-star.
no. It's a
4.5 star.
Just take them. Going around your brake hose.
Oh, that's gonna rub. I think this is too low. I got my brand new Cricut.
Cricut.
We have our modified template for the mudguard.
All right, so what did you modify?
So we found a basic template online, but it was a little bit short when we went to put it on the bike. Wanted a little bit more to play with. So just extended this out and then input it into the Cricut software. We found out that more pressure is more better, and a deep point blade had been better suited for this project.
All right.
Keeping all the fingers crossed.
Always push the flashing button.
To load. Now I'm gonna press go.
If this doesn't work, you're literally going to be wasting $1.80. Half of this cut time is circles. It seems
It's arcing.
quite spastic. That edge looks smooth.
Yeah. It's all guess and check, folks.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to set this phone up. It's only at 22%. We also found out you have to run 2 passes to get through this material. Let's
Take
see the
your-
reveal.
Oh, like butter. Butter.
Well, we're gonna give it a try, Aubrey.
There she is. And then we also, it is textured on the back side.
So.
This is ghost. This is
a
ghost.
ghost.
Oh, yeah,
It
kind of.
looks like a ghost.
Yes.
This one too.
That's for you, Aubrey. You can play with that one. Yeah, I mean, you could just print it out on paper and cut it with scissors.
Like we did with the previous one.
But.
Oh my gosh, it works. Great idea.
Here, Mom.
It's pretty soft.
Now we've got the zip ties pre-installed. So now we're ready to go put it on the bike. Let's go. So here's the unmodified version and the one I cut by hand. You can see there's a little bit of gapping and it's kind of something. Easier. So we made it 2 centimeters longer on each side.
Yep. I'm really hopeful this works. Or else we'll go have to buy another folder. You like the little antennae. Trim them up and show it off. There you go.
There you go.
Oh yeah, look at that texture. If you don't have a Cricut, you don't.
Yeah, if you don't have a Cricut,
Just print it and cut it.
print and cut. And this is, again, just a little bit shorter, so,
Or if you don't have these are 2.6-inch tires. So if you run like a 2.3 or 2.4, you're probably fine. Now I'm so bummed. Look at my factory boring black Fender.
We'll just have to make you one.
I know. Time to go to bed.
What you doing?
Playing with a laser.
That's pretty cool.
It's more interesting to watch than the 3D printer.
How cool is that?
Done.